In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an eBay gift card on your iPhone. With eBay being one of the leading online marketplaces, gift cards can be a convenient way to shop for whatever you've got your eye on. Redeeming a gift card is quite simple and can be done in just a few short steps on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your chosen browser on your iPhone. This could be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser app you prefer using. Once you're there, navigate over to eBay's website by entering ebay.com in the search bar. After the website loads, you'll be prompted to log into your eBay account if you aren't already. Enter your login details carefully to ensure that you access the right account, especially if you have multiple profiles. Once logged in, the next step is to head over to your shopping cart. You'll usually find this represented by a small icon, often resembling a shopping cart, somewhere at the top of the screen. Tap on it to review the items you've already selected for purchase. This step is crucial as you'll need something in your cart to proceed with redeeming your gift card. Now, you're ready to proceed to checkout. Once you've reviewed the items in your cart and are satisfied with your selection, look for the button that says Go to Checkout. This will direct you to a summary page where you can choose your payment method. Here's where the magic happens. On the checkout page, you'll see various payment options. This is where you'll enter your gift card information. Look for the field that prompts you to enter a code, often alongside other payment methods such as credit cards or PayPal. Have your eBay gift card handy and make sure your code is legible, as it's essential to input this correctly. After entering your gift card code in the specified field, click on Apply to redeem it. Your order total should update shortly to reflect the gift card's value, showing you how much of the purchase each payment method covers. Verify that everything looks correct before you proceed to finalize the purchase. That's all there is to it. You've successfully redeemed your eBay gift card on your iPhone, making your online shopping experience more enjoyable and, perhaps best of all, less costly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials to help you make the most of your online experiences. Until next time, happy shopping!